G'day, Big Al here, and for today's project I'm going to be changing my old nylon treg hitch on the Jayco Swift to a new Cruisemaster hitch. And the reason I've purchased this one is I've seen them on a few other caravans and campers, and they're very easy to hook up. Unlike the old nylon hitch, you've actually got to line them up perfectly to get the pin in. And I'm going to be using a few different tools today. So before I get started, let's just show you what you get in your box here. So you get your new hitch. This one's the handbrake model. You get a spanner for hooking up the connector to your tow bar tongue. Some other things you'll need is a large shifter, torque wrench. I've got a 19mm spanner, also a 13mm spanner, and I've purchased some new bolts. These are an M12 bolt with a class rating of 8.8. That's what they recommend that you use. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to remove the handbrake cable. Try not to bang the camera. Of course, when you're changing yours, you probably won't have a camera in the way. Well, this is the old nylon treg hitch that we're replacing today. Like I said, I've been using one of these for many years, even when we had our old soft floor camper, but I've just found that they're very hard to hook up, and I'm really looking forward to using the new hitch. Alright, here goes the new hitch in. Bolts should just line up perfectly, which they do. That's fantastic. Let's get it put back together. Now they also recommend using a nylon nut so that they don't vibrate loose. This is where you need to buy your new bolts, because the back of the hitch is a lot shorter where it bolts through the frame. I had to adjust the cable down near the back wheel as it was a bit long. Other than that, it was a pretty simple part of the build. Beautiful. Now just to remember to tighten your bolts with a torque wrench. And the last thing you need to do now is remove the old treg hitch. And this is what you're supplied. This is the new ball.